Good morning. So we are opening my Arbonne box today. Wyatt's just eating his breakfast, so I thought I would open this up while he's doing that. So I hosted a party a couple weeks back, and I won a free gift and then $150 for $35. So this is kind of just what I thought. So the free gift that I chose was the hair mask that they have. So I'll just but it's just a replenishing mask by Arbonne True Hair. And then they have this like 30-day program. It's like 300 and something bucks. Yeah, I know, it's cool. It's like 300 and something bucks. They have like a half program for 175. So I got that and only had to pay like 25 bucks for it. So it comes with, it's the Arbonne Greens. So it's greens balanced with fruit and vegetable concentrates. And you basically just use a scoop of that in with water, juice, or the protein shake, which is probably what I'm going to do. So I'm just horrible at getting fruits and vegetables in. Are you throwing your toast? And then I also got like a giant bag of protein shake. And basically it's a meal supplement, so you take 2 scoops. And yeah, so you mix these two together, that becomes your breakfast. And then that's like the program. Okay, buddy. You want to see this? You want to see that thing? Well, it's gonna look after the greens. But yeah, I'm excited to start this little program. Let me know if you want a better review on them after I try them, but that's just what I ordered. And I'm actually really excited to try this hair mask because my hair is dead. And with us not being able to go out to a hairdresser, I can't get it cut, and I'm not brave enough to cut it myself. So, you juggling? Oh. I guess Wyatt's gonna make sure these are all good too. So, yeah, hopefully you guys like my unboxing. Okay, finish up your breakfast there, buddy. Okay. See you later, guys.